Now coming to the last portion of the chapter, that is the islands. Islands जानते हो क्या होता है? The area of the earth surrounded by water from all the sides, that is called island. ऐसी ज़मीन का टुकड़ा जो चारों तरफ से पानी से घिरा हो उसे हम आइलैंड कहते हैं. The country has two groups of island. Let us see what are these. Lakshadweep Island Group, that lying close to Malabar coast of Kerala. आप जानते हो ना, केरल भारत के सदर्न पार्ट में है, सदर्न वेस्टर्न पार्ट. And this group of island is composed of small coral islands. Small coral islands, what are these? Let us come to know about the coral. Yes, dear students, coral polyps are short-lived microscopic organisms and lived in colonies. They are called coral polyps. Now, what are the peculiarities of these two islands? The Lakshadweep Island Group lies close to Malabar coast of Kerala, composed of small coral islands. This cover 32 square kilometer area, and Kavarati is the major administrative headquarter. Here Kavarati is the administrative headquarter, having the great diversity of flora and fauna. Now coming to the next one, that is Andaman and Nicobar Island. This is extended from north to south, bigger in size, more numerous and scattered. Scattered कहते हैं बिखरे हुए. Here you can see Andaman and Nicobar. The two parts are there. Andaman lies in the northern part and Nicobar lies in the southern part. And here also having the great diversity of flora and fauna. These island groups are these are the major part of India, and these, you know that these are the union territories of India. So we can say these are the important part. So we come to know that in the detailed study we can say the mountains, rich source of water, forest wealth. Northern plains is for the greenery. Greenery कहते हैं अनाज के लिए northern plain. Plateau minerals provide करता है. So these all relief features that contributed to make our country great. These played the crucial role for the industrialization also. Minerals ना हो, पानी ना हो तो इंडस्ट्रीज कैसे चलेंगी? फिशिंग एक्टिविटीज़, पोर्ट एक्टिविटीज़ कैसे होंगी? So we have observed the diverse physical feature of land which makes our future develop. Thank you and have a nice day.